Number 5, triangles ABC and DEF are similar. So you already know that for a fact. All the angles are equal. That means there should be a scale factor that gets you from one to the other. So first thing, I need to find the segment BC. So I am looking for this distance right here. Well, I need to then figure out what is the corresponding side on the other figure. EF is my corresponding side. So should I go from unknown to known or known to unknown? Well, I need to find two sides that work together, 3 and 2. They both have a value, so I can use those to find my scale factor. And then I need to go from here to here, what I know to what I don't know. So that means I'm going from smaller to bigger. Should my scale factor be smaller or bigger than 1? Bigger than 1. So when I have 3 and 2, do I arrange them as 3 over 2 or 2 over 3? Which is going to give me an answer that is bigger than 1? 3 over 2. Or 1.5. Whatever you want to put in your calculator. Okay, I'm not going to use a calculator. I'm just going to do it by hand, so I'm going to keep it as an improper fraction. I need to multiply that because scale factors are multiples by 10 over 3. Well, I know that the 3's cancel out, so now I have 10 over 2, which is the same as 5. This distance is 5. Alright, then I need to figure out what is this distance, D to F. Well, my corresponding side on the other triangle is AC. And now I am no longer going from small to big, I'm going from big to small. So now my scale factor is no longer 3 over 2, it has to be less than 1. A lot of us kept the same scale factor and that's not going to work. Okay, so if I use a scale factor less than 1, how do I have to arrange 3 and 2? Well, I know it's not 3 over 2 because I already used that to go the other way, so I need the reciprocal, 2 over 3. So now I need to use that as my multiplier times the side that I already know, which is 7. And again, I'm not using a calculator, but 7 over 1. When I multiply, I get 14 over 3. Well, 3 goes into 14, how many times? 4, with 2/3 left over. So my distance is 4 2/3. Now, if you put 4.67, 4.66, I took that as well. Okay? But you got to make sure you're understanding, am I going from bigger to smaller shape? What does that do to my scale factor? Smaller to bigger shape, what does that do to my scale factor? And match up your sides. Corresponding sides are matching. Let me know if you have any questions.